Hello everyone, this is Kruti welcoming you all to the series of goods and service tax. Let's begin with an overview. Goods and service tax, as the name suggests, that is, goods and services shall be treated as bar, unlike the present system, wherein which the trading of goods are under the purview of state level VAT and the manufacturing of the goods and providing of services are under the purview of central administration, and service tax and central excise duty are being collected thereon. In the GST, almost each and every central level taxes and state level taxes have been taken into consideration. It is based on the principle of destination, which means that the levy of GST shall take place where the goods and services are being supplied. Now, what are the types of GST? It is a system of dual GST, which means that the revenue which shall be collected by the levy of GST shall be distributed by both central government and state government. Based on this principle, it is being divided into three levels, that is CGST, SGST and IGST. CGST means central level GST, state level GST and integrated state GST. Now, in what circumstances this tax shall be levied? Let us understand them, each one of them. First of all, CGST and SGST. This both shall be levied simultaneously. This shall be levied where the intrastate supply of goods and services takes place. Let us understand them with the help of an example. See, there is a manufacturer which is from Gujarat. He manufactures steels and it supplies steel bars to the construction company which is also situated in Gujarat. Let us assume that the price of the steel bar, it is 100 rupee per bar. Okay. Now, we can also assume the rates of taxes of CGST and SGST. Suppose CGST is 8% and SGST is 10%. Now, how the levy shall take place? So, the supplier of the goods, that is the manufacturer, will have to pay CGST and SGST both simultaneously. That is 100 rupees into 8% of CGST, that is rupees 8, and SGST, that is 100 rupees into 10%, that is rupees 10. Both shall be paid by the manufacturer simultaneously. CGST and SGSTs, remember, both of them shall be taken into consideration together. However, you can utilize the credits of the same, but one thing is to be taken into consideration, that is, the credit of CGST shall be utilized only for the payment of CGST and the credit of SGST shall only be utilized for the payment of SGST. You cannot interchange the both credits. This is the main thing to be noted. Now, the same things go with the supplier of services. Suppose a coaching institute, it is providing services to some institute that their teachers will be providing services on behalf of the institute. So the same way CGST and SGST shall be levied if both the service provider and the service recipient are located in the same state. We have taken that both of them are located in Mumbai. So CGST and SGST shall be levied. However, if the interstate supply of services or goods takes place, then CGST and SGST shall not be levied. In that case, only IGST shall be levied, and that shall be collected by the central government. Each and every rates of the central GST, state GST and IGST shall be taken from the prescribed rates. They have been predetermined by the government that on what rates the tax shall have to be collected. Now, the further discussion we shall be discussing in the next part of the series. Thank you for the watching.